How to successfully close a solar inverter deal and install it with ease. Now, many solar inverter installers have lost a lot of deal even before they have the opportunity to close it. Now, I want to show you quickly just how many steps? 4 steps on how to actually close your solar inverter deal with ease. Number one, act like a doctor. Ask questions. Many of us will just send quotations to our clients, to our customers. No. Sending quotation is just like you saying, hey, if you need this thing, get out. No. You want to act like a doctor. Ask questions like, what do you want to install it for? How many load, how many fans, how many TVs, how many water heaters do you want your solar inverter to carry? How many hours do you want your solar inverter to last for you? Ask this kind of tangible questions. The second thing is find out the budget of your customer. Alright? The budget, what budget? Many of us, we want to install this, but we don't have the budget for it. So ask them, okay, you want to carry this, but it's telling, for instance, you want to carry his AC, but it's telling that he has a $500 budget. So you need to know what budget is your customer willing to run with for this installation project. Very important. The third thing is determined to give excellent service. All right, be determined to give excellent service. Put your all in it. Yeah, I've done some installation that I've been insulted, but I'm still after excellent service. I want them to enjoy what they paid for. So go for excellent service. And then the final thing, so that you will not beat yourself up, is to know that sometimes not all things go as a plan. Alright. Sometimes there are some challenges, maybe with the way bill company just delayed by one day. Some challenges just come up. So just don't beat yourself up. Sometimes it might even be a fault from your hand, maybe a fault you didn't know. So don't beat yourself up. Just know that sometimes things don't go as the plan. So how do you install your inverter? Number one, draw a blueprint. Alright, draw a blueprint of the roof, draw a blueprint of the house. Where do you want your solar inverter to be inside the house, and where do you want your panels to be in the roof? Find out the length of that. Alright, the second thing you need to do is mount your inverter inside your house first. I'm telling you the truth, this will save you a lot of time. You going up to mount the panel before mounting the inverter, you might just give yourself unnecessary pressure and stress. Sincerely, trust me. Just mount, carry out the installation inside the house, test it, find out if it's actually running. That is one of the hardest part. Wire it to your DB and just install your inverter first. And then when you're done, the third thing, find out the distance from the rooftop to your inverter. The reason why I'm saying you should do this is so that you will know actually if the distance is too much, you need more voltage. Alright, more distance means you need more voltage. So for you, and also to know what size of cable you should use. So very, very important. Find the distance between your inverter and the roof. And then the fourth, mount your panel. The fifth is test your entire connection. And once you're done with that, I'm telling you the truth, you just enjoy yourself. But that's like a smooth ride to you installing your inverter and closing your deal with ease. Total ease. This is what I've been teaching my students, and I've been seeing their works, and it has been giving me so much joy. But why stay in isolation? Come join us at Web3 Group, and you will find yourself closing more inverter deals today. Let's go.